To enable and set up a mobile hotspot on Samsung Galaxy A27, first of all, we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings, we want to go to Connections, and then in Connections, you should be able to find Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Then over here we have the Mobile Hotspot, so of course we can just tap on this switcher in order to turn it on or turn it off. And you can also tap on the option itself in order to find the configuration of the Mobile Hotspot. First, let's enable it. And unfortunately, on Samsung Galaxy A27, if you want to use the mobile hotspot, you have to share the access to the internet from a mobile data. Wi-Fi is going to be disabled to be able to use the hotspot, which is of course a shame, but it is what it is. Now over here we have the configuration, as I mentioned. Here we have the network name, which you can easily customize. We can also check out the password, and you can edit the password as well in case you want to set up something simpler, for example, or something more complicated. We also have the band option, which allows you to set up 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz, and the security option as well. You can also tap on this advanced text in order to reveal even more options, like for example when the hotspot should be automatically disabled. You can also hide your network, so then for example you can use the Wi-Fi QR code in order to connect to your hotspot, and some additional options as well, like Wi-Fi sharing and protected management frames. And of course, if you made any changes in here, you want to tap on Save in order to, well, save them. Besides that, we can also enable one-time password in case you don't want to share the main password for some reason. You can also tap on the one-time password in order to reveal it. You can reset it, and you can get the QR code for that one-time password. Also, you can get QR code for your network in general. So if you tap on this QR code button, you should be able to generate the QR code. So whoever scans this Wi-Fi QR code, they will be able to connect to the hotspot without having to look for it on the list of Wi-Fi networks, and without the password, without having to enter the password, that is. And that is pretty much it in the case of the configuration of the mobile hotspot. One thing that I want to show you also is the fact that we can add the mobile hotspot, or actually it is available straight from the beginning. The mobile hotspot shortcut in the control center or quick settings. So in my case, it is here in this expandable area. So if you want to quickly enable and disable the mobile hotspot, then you can just tap on this button over here. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.